Hello guys, in this video we will see how to set up PostgreSQL on Kali Linux 2025.1c. So first open terminal, verify whether we have any pre-installed PostgreSQL comes with Kali Linux 2025. Sudo systemctl see PostgreSQL server is installed but it is not started. Okay, no need to install, just we have to start and configure the PostgreSQL server. So start it, sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started, okay, but it is not enabled, so enable it. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL. Successfully enabled. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, this is not the PostgreSQL server version, it is the PSQL client version. So verify the version of the PostgreSQL server that we have installed. Select version. Generally it will come with the latest version. See, the PostgreSQL server that comes with Kali Linux is 17.5. Quit to quit. Control A. Okay, the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. Okay, so alter user Postgres with password we have successfully set the password for the user Postgres. Okay, now verify the list of the users. See, we have only one user. Also verify list of databases /l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Quit to quit. Control A. Now we can also get the list of the users and databases by running the command select username from pg_user. See, and if you want to get the list of the databases, select dat name from pg_database. See here, these are the default databases. Let us create database. Create database. See, every time we are receiving this error, so just execute this one. Copy, paste it, hit enter, Control A. Now verify the databases /l. See here, we haven't created, so create it. See, we have successfully created database. Now verify /l. See, database blank is created. Now switch to this database by using /cr/connect. Then we have to provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now create a table in this database. Create table. Now verify /pt. See here, we have created table in public schema. This is the name of the table, type, and owner is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. We have successfully created. Now exit from this currently logged in PostgreSQL server session and connect to PostgreSQL server is this user. So to exit, we have to use the command \q, then PSQL -h, h means host name, then localhost because PostgreSQL server is installed on this PC, then -u, username is David, -d, database name, we have the Postgres, hit enter, then we have to provide the password of this David account. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Control A. Now try to access the, now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have logged in to the PostgreSQL server with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database bank. Now try to run the queries against the table that we have created. We will get the access denied error. See, permission denied for the table. Okay, so we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server by using the PostgreSQL server on Kali Linux 2025. So we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit from this Postgres user. Then sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su -postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. As I told you, we can't stop or start with Postgres user. So exit from this Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, we have successfully started. Verify the status. See, we have started PostgreSQL service. Control A, Q to quit, control. Now also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su -postgres PSQL. See, we are able to connect. Okay, exit. You want to restart. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 3 seconds ago. Q to quit. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the pgadmin or tbver. So in this video we have seen how to set up and configure the PostgreSQL server 17.17 version on Kali Linux 2025.1c. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.